corn, lime, cheese, and a kick of spice. Mexican street corn salad, or Esquites, takes everything magical about grilled street corn and turns it into an easy, no-mess salad you'll want to make on repeat. Let's dive in. Hey, Mr. Simply here. If you've ever had elote, that iconic Mexican grilled corn on the cob, you know how addictive that smoky, creamy, tangy flavor is. Today, we're making the salad version, just as delicious, way easier to eat, and perfect for parties, taco nights, or just a quick, flavorful lunch. A bit of background. This dish traces back to Mexican street food culture, where vendors grill corn over open flames and slather it in a rich, creamy, spicy sauce. The salad version, Esquites, takes the kernels off the cob so you get all that flavor in every single bite, no corn stuck in your teeth required. Ingredients. Here's what you'll need. Fresh corn, about 4 to 5 ears, or frozen corn if fresh isn't in season, mayonnaise, sour cream, lime juice, chili powder, crumbled cotija cheese, fresh cilantro, and a bit of minced garlic. Optional but highly recommended, a diced jalapeño for extra heat. Char the corn. Start by charring your corn. Whether you're using a grill pan, or even a hot skillet, you want those kernels to develop deep golden brown, slightly blackened spots. This step is where all that smoky flavor comes from, so don't rush it. Cut the kernels. Once the corn has cooled slightly, stand each ear upright in a large bowl and carefully slice down with a knife to remove the kernels. Using a bowl underneath keeps those kernels from flying all over your kitchen. Make the creamy dressing. In a separate bowl, whisk together mayonnaise, sour cream, lime juice, minced garlic, and chili powder until smooth and creamy. This dressing is really the heart of the dish, tangy, rich, and just spicy enough to keep things interesting. Combine everything. Pour the dressing over your charred corn kernels and mix well, making sure every kernel gets coated. Fold in most of your crumbled cotija cheese and chopped cilantro, saving a little of each for garnish. Garnish and finish. Transfer your salad to a serving bowl, then top it with the remaining cotija cheese, a sprinkle of chili powder, fresh cilantro, and a few lime wedges on the side. That final touch of color makes this dish as beautiful as it is delicious. Serving suggestions. This salad is incredibly versatile. Serve it as a side with grilled meats, scoop it up with tortilla chips, spoon it into tacos, or even eat it straight out of the bowl with a spoon. No judgment here. Tips and variations. Want to switch things up? Try adding diced avocado for creaminess, swap cotija for feta if that's what you have on hand, or add a dash of hot sauce for extra kick. This salad also keeps well in the fridge for up to 3 days, making it perfect for meal prep. Mr. Simply. And there you have it, Mexican street corn salad that's smoky, creamy, tangy, and ridiculously easy to make. Give it a try, and let me know in the comments what you paired it with. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit like and subscribe for more simple, flavor-packed dishes.